allocation will we have here? How much will we have? We have so much mining. How much can we get? We are checking the mining steps again and again. We are checking the speed again and again. We are trying to increase the quantity. We are referring people. We are doing all the tasks day by day more carefully so that the allocation is very big. It should be more than everyone and it should be very good. So here we are going to do the calculation today. If you have 1 million tokens, what can be the price of it? How much value will come out of it? And this base, this airdrop will be behind it. The facts that we have kept, the points that we have kept, they have been kept of Notcoin, which was launched through Binance's launch pool last month. So the capital that will be kept in it, the supply that will be kept in it, the calculation on which it was distributed will be kept. And here, because there is a little change in Hamster, it is being discussed to distribute the reward according to the speed per hour, the total supply you are talking according to the coin balance, the daily combo, the daily cipher. There are many tasks in Hamster. So what calculation can we get with all this? We are going to talk about it here. So all the things we are going to calculate here, we have done it on the basis of our research. There is no such base here. Whose formula we got, we are going to tell you. This is just an assumption that what can be obtained. Yes, what you have seen on the thumbnail, the result is that is it can be according to $4 and 1 million. But how was this calculation done? What is the fact in this? What points have we kept? Let's see them know and talk in detail. Let's start the video. So friends, with such a big community, I think history is being thought. A lot of people were criticizing Hamster in the beginning. Notcoin or all the mining platforms, they all thought that no, this is such a thing. It is not practical. But today I am seeing that those people are talking about Hamster. So here Hamster proved himself, but who is the base behind it? Notcoin? So here we are going to start with Notcoin, and when Notcoin came to the market, it was not so stable at that time. It was not so reliable in the market. People were thinking that yes, there was a mistake. After that, where are such things possible again? So the history that Notcoin has created in the market, will it be able to create Hamster Kombat? Will it be able to make Hamster Kombat history? We are going to find out today. So here, the user base of Notcoin was 35 million, and the user here is of 200 million. That is, there is a change of more than 4x. After that, when Notcoin was launched, a market cap of 200 million was kept through Binance Launchpad. And we believe here too, because there is no big reason for it to come through Binance Launchpad. It will definitely come. A market cap of 200 million is also possible. It will be around that. Because through Binance Launchpad, there is no more than. After that, when the tokens were mined, a special thing came out here with Notcoin that the total tokens that were mined were 102 trillion, and they directly divided it by 1,000. So the total supply they had in the market was 102 billion. The total tokens that were mined were divided by 1,000, and the total supply here was 102 billion. According to this, the initial price of the 200 million market cap was 0.004, and with the launch, there was a lot of multiple X. So this happened, and after that, on June 3rd, their market cap of one day was, and normally it was 2 billion, but today it is 1.35 billion, because the market is all over down. If we talk about Hamster here, the total supply, I think, according to this, if we multiply their supply by 5x, then it will be approximately 102 trillion. Let's assume 100 trillion in the round figure. And if there is a supply of 100 trillion in the market, then according to this, the price, if we divide it by 4, it can be 0.001 when it is launched initially. After that, if someone has 1 million tokens, 1 million as you can see here, 1 million tokens, I know that many people have tokens, the people who have mined, because all the people who had mined in Notcoin, all the total supply they had mined, they divided it by 1,000. Let's assume the same thing happens here too. Now, if someone has mined 1 million, if we divide it by, the quantity of 1,000 tokens will be such that it can be transferred. If we multiply it by the initial price of the hamster, then we will get $1 for 1,000 tokens. Did you understand? Let's talk further. That is, they will get $1 for 1 million tokens, because this is the initial price, and as soon as it launches 2x, 4x, 5x, 10x, it is multiplied. Let's assume it becomes 4x too. We will get $4 for 1 million. This simple calculation is 1 million. Now, how many people have it in the wallet? Normally, people have 100 million, even if they don't have 100 million. By the time it launches, they will have 100 million. And what we have calculated is only the total number you can see. After that, how do you calculate the per hour you are mining? So per hour, I think that today, 3 million maximum, the maximum that is mined in LOD has a speed of 3 million per hour. So the speed of 3 million per hour, we directly assume that the same number of tokens you receive, the same number of tokens you get. Let's take an example. If someone's speed is 1 million and only 1 million tokens are received, and if we multiply it by the initial price of the hamster, then you will get $1,000. And as soon as it launches, the price will pump here, and it can be $4,000. Now, the first thing that people will be thinking about is how can a hamster spend so much money? I will clear that now. So actually, the hamster has given $1 per 1 million. Now, it is in the price market because people will buy it. When the hamster comes, people will buy it because here the example of Notcoin is set. When Notcoin was launched, it came at a very high initial price, and today it has become a zero kill, and the market cap has reached 4 billion. And today it is 1.35 billion. It is 1.35 billion from 200 million capital. That is, people are investing in the market. If we look at the meme coin criteria, it has become the #1 token, Notcoin. Now, a community like Hamster is so big, people know it globally, people want to talk about it, people are searching about it, is #1 in Google's trending. So when it will launch, how many people will buy it? So according to this, a value can be created. So here, things are possible. It is not that things are not possible. And the second thing is that the speed of 1 million per hour, not many people are there. Because here, to do 1 million per hour, many tokens are required. And not everyone has so many tokens. Those who are playing very smartly, they have a lot of tokens. And the quantity, the total all over, the number of tokens, I have told you that if we divide it by 1,000 multiplied by the price of the token, then the value will be very low. After that, the market fluctuation will be seen in the market. So this calculation, I did it in a lot of time. I thought about it for 2 to 4 days, and there are many other things that I know that you viewers are also coming to their minds. So comment below. We want to go deeper. We want to discuss more about it. What value will come out until it is not launched? And friends, whatever price we have told today, it is just a guess. There are no real things in it. Because the Notcoin that came to the market recently, there are no real things in it until it is launched. Because the official data, the official news will come through all the hamsters. So I think friends, you must have liked this video. If you liked the video, please like the video. If you have not subscribed to the channel, then subscribe, and all the mining apps give some time and all these. The time that you feel you should definitely give. Thank you so much for watching the video.